ಮಡಿಕೇರಿಯ ಹೊಸ ಬಡಾವಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಪ್ರಣವ ಯೋಗ ಕೇಂದ್ರದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಭಾನುವಾರ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಯೋಗ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ವೈದ್ಯರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ಯಾಮಪ್ಪಣ್ಣ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕರ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಯೋಗದ ಮಹತ್ವವನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು.
My normal Sundays, like I try to laze around and try to relax as much as possible. The rest of my days are a little too hectic. And today I've had so much of athletes coming my way. I feel I'm on cloud 9. And thank you so much. On the very onset, I'd like to thank both Shilpa and my very good friend Ravindra Rai for calling me over down here and to be a part of the International Yoga Day. And it's no doubt a honor because the reason is I've known both of them for a long time. It first started off with the Walk of Hope. To be very honest with you, I don't recollect doing a scan on Shilpa because those are days where you have a lot of patience, and I'm so glad that I made that impact on her, and it feels good when someone tells you in front of such an august audience. It's not just that, before I go into the main part of today's day, I'd like to say a few things about them. I'd prefer to call them the power couple of Madikkeri. The reason why I say that the power couple is, it's not just that they are very, very successful in the business side of it, like starting a cafe, starting this yoga center and things like this. But what you need to see is they've also been very active in a lot of the social activities. My friend Ravindra Rai has been very, very active in something which Matra needed very badly, and that's the whole thing to do with the blood bank. And I'm sure every person who receives that pint of blood at the time of stress also has to be grateful because it's a will. And thanks to people like him, it's something which goes unnoticed.
ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಯೋಗ ಕೇಂದ್ರದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ವಿವಿಧ ಯೋಗಾಸನಗಳ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ನೀಡಿ ಗಮನ ಸೆಳೆದರು. ಯೋಗ ಗುರು ಶಿಲ್ಪಾ ರವೀಂದ್ರ ರೈ, ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಸಭಾಪತಿ ರವೀಂದ್ರ ರೈ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಹಲವರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ಚಿತ್ತಾರ ನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಮಡಿಕೇರಿ.